Hello and welcome to another video of me, Esther from Gather and Create. I'm going to be sharing this Easter card with you today. I'm taking part in a Easter blog hop, and this is what I've come up with. If you head to my blog gatherandcreate.co.uk, when you finish watching the video, you'll see everybody else's inspiration on there, and there's lots of lovely things to see, so be sure to check that out. I'll pop the link in the description for you. So I've made it a sunny kind of yellow spring-like card. I love the combination of yellow and grey together, and I've used Daffodil Delight and basic grey, and there's something Happy Easter in there. The stamp set, the predominant stamp set, is one that you can earn for free during celebration. Celebration does end the 31st of March, so you don't have long, and this is the second tier second tier celebration item. So when you spend £90, you get to have this for free in either the red rubber, which I'm using today, or in wood mount. And I love Easter, it's such a great celebration, so I thought Happy and Day worked really well for that. Not just the obvious, but yeah, it just seemed obvious to me once I'd kind of scoured my stamp sets, deciding what I was going to use. And then the cross is from the Cross of Hope framelits set. So you see I used this rather lovely one, it's nice and intricate. It's a great set for obviously Easter, weddings, baptisms, confirmations. It's a great one to have when you need to make that type of card. And then this is the Hold On to Hope stamp set. I have only used this little bit. I've used more stamp sets than I normally do, and I've used teeny tiny sentiments for the Happy Easter, but it would work perfectly well like that. It's the added bonus to have that in there, if you have those anyway, or you specifically want to add them. And while you do get free gifts when you spend money, it's a great time to stock up. So let's get started. I have my Daffodil Delight card base, half of A4, scored at 10.5. And I'll just grab I'll do the stamping first on my Whisper White panel, which is 10 by 6. I've got my inches on this side. This is centimetres I'm talking about. I'll just double check that. Yeah, 10 by 6. We'll put everything on the blog, so don't worry about having to remember everything. So that will be 10.5 by 6.5 for the basic grey piece. I have got glitter everywhere already. So I need my Happy stamp. Now I'm going to go a little bit further over than I did on this one, kind of bearing in mind this is like my prototype when I'm designing. So I'm taking my ink, just hold on to the camera, I'm taking my ink to the stamp. Daffodil Delight ink to match the card. And then just use my grid paper to line up, make sure I'm the right way up. Yeah, so I'm going to go over a little bit more. Let's go about there. Happy. Oh yes, I'm using the Day. I think I told you that. The Day from the same set, and I'm stamping that in Smoky Slate. Just check that's the right way up. I love this kind of scripty font. I'm just going to go underneath with that. Underneath the happy. There. That's the stamping done. The next bit is the fun glitter. I will need to just do the insert. I'm going to do my glitter first, and for that I'm using fine tip glue pen, and I am just randomly adding bits of glue around the image. Just wherever I think it will look pretty. A few dots around. And I'll just put that back on because I'm going to need it again in a minute. This is where you can't actually see. Here we go. Right, I need my glitter. So this is Dazzling Diamonds, and I always just pop it into a bigger container so that you can dip it. Kind of try and make it as mess free as possible. Not that glitter is mess in my opinion, but you know what I mean. It's flicking off some excess. No, it was flicking off with vigour there. It's a good job. I'm going to put them across on that corner. So that will look less kind of lumpy. Got some excess glitter there. That will look less lumpy once it's dried off. Let's put my lid on. I'm going to blow some of this glitter away. Right. Just pop that to one side, and I will stamp up the insert, which is Whisper White, measuring 10 by 14.4. And I just had those little corners. Right, just leaning in, sorry. Kind of corner shapes already, which is nice. One. Just adds a nice touch to the inside of your card, and you could do the same on your envelope. The next thing is the Happy Easter, which I'll do in the basic grey. Again, I'll just check that I'm the right way up, straight. Too fine there, but that's fine. I can sort that, and that will just get glued to the inside there, as I have done here. Maybe do that later, so I won't stick that in, just so you get the idea. And now I am going to die cut this beautiful cross. I am using the Myths and Magic glimmer paper. It comes also in the green and the blue, and you get a pretty substantial stack of it, and I love the size that it comes in. It's just so useful. I'm going to bring the big shot in. And I am using precision base plate on that because it is quite intricate. Pop it through the other side so you can see, but I'm just going to lay my cross on there. It's actually best just to one side on this more intricate. Put more pressure at the sides with the big shot. So I'll put it back out. I just did it that way so that you could see. And then it's just one plate over the top. And I think I might still feed it through twice. The camera will wobble, I apologise. And then I'm coming back through. can't hold the camera straight still and pull this through. I'm sorry if you're feeling a bit seasick. Okay, that's done, I promise. Let's take that off. Just move the big shot to one side. Okay, so we have our cross, and I'm just going to grab my die brush, get over that. I'm wobbling you again, I'm so sorry. All in the name of art. Okay. That's being a bit cheeky, that particular bit. Take you away. There we are. One beautifully die cut cross. You can also use the plain cross in a coordinating colour, so they can see that colour come through. But I'm just going to use it kind of filigree styly. I just need to get rid of this bit here, which is offending my eye. Pretty much only get really splodgy when I'm doing a video. Maybe it's just the pressure of it. Apologise, guys. As you can see, I'm not always messy. Right, so it's time to do a little bit of assembling. I've got my Whisper White piece, but I want to put my ribbon on first. She says, looking for the ribbon, and I'm using this double stitched ribbon in Daffodil Delight. So you've got crosses on one side and dashes on the other, or kisses on one side, as I like to think of it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of fast fuse on the edges. I'm going to attach my initial bit of ribbon to. So just put that on there. I'll go a bit higher actually. I'm going to go a bit higher still. That'll do. Just pull that across and then secure it on the other side and cut. That's now ready to attach to my card base. Can you see all the glitter? I'm probably going to go out with glitter on my face now. And people sort of look at you as if to say, what have you been doing? Right, so that's the base. I'm now going to glue my take that edge away, glue my sentiment onto my basic grey piece. Just using fast fuse. Lay that on there. Don't forget the measurements are going on my blog, gatherandcreate.co.uk. Right, I wasn't very happy with the placement of my cross on the my first attempt. Usefully, that will slightly cover up my other piece. So I want to go over here a little. No, I still want to have my other bit of ribbon there. Oh, that's the other thing I wanted to do, was go a bit lower. Well, that's why I didn't go lower, because I've got the Y, but that'll be fine. Let's go over a bit more. Yeah, so while my fine tip glue pen is out from the glitter, I'm going to use the same adhesive for my pretty cross. Okay. Right. I think I've got enough on there to make sure it doesn't come off. I'd better actually attach this first, hadn't I? So engrossed in adding my cross. Right, so you can see that. I think that's about right. And then we'll go about there. Just press that down. Probably because I left it a second. It will adhere, and that is going to get finished off with a enamel dot in Daffodil Delight again. And I'm using the bigger of the round one, right in the middle there. And then I need another little piece of the ribbon we used, just to tie a little knot along this bit here. Tuck that under. Pull that along a bit more. And then just trim off. Don't really want to cut it any smaller than that, because then you can't tie it. But I know we don't want to waste it either. Let's blow that glitter off. There we are. I think I will just redo this. If it goes wrong a second time, we're keeping it real. Okay. I think because it's quite a fine font, so you'd find yourself not wanting to press too hard. Happy Easter. Ta-da! I'm sorry for the abrupt end to this video. I didn't realise that it had stopped filming, but it just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. Do check out the blog hop. There's lots of inspiration on there. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.